Hello, it's video 20. Only 10 videos left. Oh, and then you'll be like 30 days of Python. Well done, well done. In this video, we're going to create dummies. And a dummy is essentially if you have text or a value which is not a normal number and you want to substitute it for a number, dummies is how you would do it. Now this sounds like it could be complicated, but believe me, it's not, it's easy. So we load in pandas, we load in our data, we describe it, we check the head, we check the shape, and then we move on to the shortest line of code ever to give you the best output. We are going to create dummies with the category, right? Because maybe the category is a feature that can predict rank, essentially. So how do we create dummy values for this? We do PD, so that's pandas dot get underscore dummies, then play data bracket category. So look at the series category and what's going to happen. There we go. That's what it does. Simple as that. It takes all of your unique values and then puts a 1 or 0 next to it. So it's pretty handy. And what you do is you would create this as an object, like we're going to do here, dummies equals, and then the same code's above, and then that's us got an object that then we can join or merge with another data frame. Okay, so that is how you create dummies to allow you to take string values and turn them into numerical values for using with machine learning or maybe drawing a graph with or something like that. All right, that's video 20 over. Nice, easy, simple one for you just before the push head to the harder videos. Only joking, only joking. If you like this video, press the like button. Any questions, comments, help needed, write it in the comment section. If you want to support the channel, hit subscribe, and if you want to support us a lot, you would share it with friends, tell people about it, tell people about the DATABOI.com project, and I will see you for video 21. Bye.